how are you doing today? Today I would like to show you how to make an Aperol Sour. I don't have too much information about the history or the origin of this drink, and I've been trying to check online sources or the books I have at home, and to be honest with you, the ratios and details, even the ingredients, are all over the place. So I decided to stay with the classical sour ratios, and let's see how it goes. Let's not waste more time and really can start with the drink. So I open the shaker and we take 2 ounces of Aperol. Okay, 2 ounces. And then we're gonna go with 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils of simple syrup. Okay, and the same amount of 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils of lemon juice. Okay, and now what we need to do is to separate our egg white from the yolk. Okay, and we put this aside. So we pour the egg white in and we do a dry shake. So no ice. Okay, we got a nice cover already. So we add some ice now to fill the drink. And we shake again. Okay. So it's make vacuum, so it's difficult to open. Okay. So now we take our coupe glass and we're gonna double strain. Things are falling everywhere, and the decoration, the recipe calls for grapefruit peel. So let's try. Peel some grapefruit. Okay. So we sprinkle the oils, and we're gonna trim the peel to make it look nicer. Okay. Yeah. And I'm gonna pin the peel to the glass. So that is how we make the Aperol Sour. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.